Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Chevy Impala SS 427 marks a thrilling return to form for one of America's most iconic nameplates. Blending modern muscle with classic DNA, this new iteration of the Impala SS revives the legendary 427 cubic inch engine in a package that feels both retro and cutting edge. Chevrolet has taken a bold step by bringing back big displacement power in an age dominated by downsized turbo engines and electrification. But for enthusiasts, this is a dream come true. Here a large, rear-wheel drive American sedan with heart-pounding performance and unmistakable attitude. Under the hood, the 2025 Impala SS features a 7.0-liter V8, pushing out a jaw-dropping 550 horsepower and 525 pounds-to-feet of torque. It's mated to either a slick-shifting 6-speed manual transmission for the purists or a high-performance 10-speed automatic for those who want speed and convenience. The sound is thunderous, raw and mechanical, like a true muscle car should be. This engine isn't just about straight-line speed, it's been refined with modern tech like variable valve timing, direct injection, and active fuel management to improve both performance and efficiency when cruising. The design of the 2025 Impala SS walks a fine line between aggression and elegance. The long hood, wide stance, and sculpted body lines pay homage to the classic Impalas of the 60s, especially the legendary 67 SS 427. LED lighting, 20-inch forged alloy wheels, and a functional rear spoiler give it a modern edge, while the blacked-out grille and SS badging let everyone know this isn't your average sedan. There are subtle nods to its heritage here, like the 427 emblem on the fender and quad exhaust tips, but this car is every bit a product of 2025 in terms of aerodynamics and engineering. Inside, Chevy has crafted a driver-focused cockpit that combines luxury and performance. The sport seats are aggressively bolstered and wrapped in leather and Alcantara, with red stitching and SS embroidery. A digital gauge cluster displays performance metrics like oil temp, G-forces, and 0-60 times, while a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in performance telemetry. Premium touches like a head-up display, Bose Performance Series audio system, and ambient lighting bring the Impala SS firmly into the premium segment. On the road, the Impala SS 427 is a brute with brains. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, with a deep, thunderous exhaust note that turns heads at every throttle blip. But thanks to magnetic ride control, Brembo brakes, and an electronically controlled limited slip differential, the car handles corners with confidence and composure. It's still a big sedan, but one that shrinks around you as you push it harder. Whether cruising down the highway or tearing through a back road, it feels planted, powerful, and purposeful. The 2025 Chevy Impala SS 427 isn't just a car, it's a statement. At a time when many automakers are playing it safe, Chevy has delivered a bold, nostalgic, and thrilling performance sedan that honors its past while embracing the present. It's a love letter to muscle car fans and a serious contender for anyone who still believes in V8 power. If this is the future of American performance sedans, sign us up.